everybody, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. For today's video, we are going to ignore the fact that I have chipmunk cheeks and giant bruises on either side of my jaw. I recently got my wisdom teeth out, which if you guys would like to know all about my experience, I will have the video linked down below. I vlogged me coming out of anesthesia, which was absolutely hilarious. I also vlogged most of my recovery all the way through my follow-up appointment. So if you guys would like to hear all about my experience, the products I recommend, see me coming out of anesthesia and stuff like that, be sure to go check that video out. It'll be linked in the description box. But for today's video, I got a really exciting package. One of my all-time dreams with being on YouTube has been to be able to work with DERMALOGICA, and I finally have that opportunity. They were kind enough to send me a bunch of their products to share with you guys and tell you guys all about them. And since we all know I'm really obsessed with skincare, I am super excited to try them out, and I figured I would do some first impressions and do a little bit of a haul. This is the box they sent me. It is giant, and when I tell you I was freaking out when the mailman had the package and was walking towards the door, I mean I was freaking out. I absolutely love DERMALOGICA, and I just love everything they have to offer. So we're gonna go and take a peek at what they sent me. So when I opened the box, it just had another box on the inside. It was a box inside of a box, and I'm assuming that all the products they sent me are in here. So we're just gonna go ahead and open it, and we have another box inside the box, and there's also another product over here. So starting off with the big box in here, this is their 5 faves for glowing skin, and then here are all of the products, and it does come with a nice little card with all the information. So the first product you get is the pre-cleanse. Second, you get the special cleansing gel. Third, you get the daily microfoliant. Fourth, you get the dynamic skin recovery SPF 50, and fifth, you get the stress positive eye lift. I am super excited to try all these. I'm not going to be trying all these in this video because I do still have to be careful of my face, but once I'm all recovered, if you guys would like to see me do an entire video on all these, definitely let me know in the comments. And if you guys would like a first impression on all 5 of these products, I can actually wait and not use these. On the little information card, it also says that you can visit facemapping.com for a personalized skin analysis and custom regimen. And overall, I really like how they actually include a nice information card. Now for the product that I have been most excited for this whole package. I did know they were sending me this product. I did not know that they were sending me more products. This is the original product that I had been reached out to about. So this is a new product from them. This is their Hydro Mask Exfoliant. And it is a combination product where it is an exfoliator and it's also a hydrating mask at the same time, which is so crazy. On the back it just says this hydrating and exfoliating 5-minute mask smooths and renews for luminous, healthy looking skin. And we're just gonna go ahead and open it, and here it is. Let me tell you, I am so excited about this. I'm actually going to go try this off camera, and I'm going to do a voiceover on my first impression of it. Keep in mind, I'm not going to be doing down in this region for the simple fact that it is still super duper tender, but I'm definitely going to go ahead and do my forehead and my nose and across my sinuses so you guys can see. Right off the bat, I want to say that I love how sleek and small the packaging is. A lot of products come in huge bulky packaging, and half the tube that it's in is empty, which is really annoying. I also like that it does have the solid cap, but my favorite part is probably the top. So if you guys can see, the top looks a little different, and that is because when you go ahead and squeeze it out, you don't squeeze the actual bottle. Instead, you press the little like nub on the end, and it dispenses the perfect amount into your hand, which I am so excited for because I'm one of those people who I overuse product and I end up wasting quite a bit of product. So with something like this where it dispenses the perfect amount, you don't have to worry about using too much. And honestly, that is one of the things I was most excited for. Now for the voiceover part, this is just the product packaging, and this is just what the product looks like. And as you guys can see, there are little like bumps in it, and that is because those are the foam exfoliating beads. And the directions for this are to apply to cleansed face and neck, and then you massage in circular motions until the spheres disappear. Once the spheres have disappeared, you're going to want to let the mask sit and activate for 3 to 5 minutes. Then go ahead and rinse thoroughly and follow up with your moisturizer. Right off the bat, my first impressions of this are that it is such a neat product and I absolutely love the way it makes my skin feel. A lot of the times exfoliants are harsh on your skin and also tend to dry them out, so a product like this that has the exfoliating properties as well as the moisturizing properties is amazing because you won't do any damage to your skin. And a few other key points I want to mention about this product are that it is gluten-free, vegan, cruelty-free, paraben-free, and it also contains no artificial colors or fragrances. They also have a little blurb on here about the benefits of it, so I figured I would go ahead and tell you guys those as well. And it says the benefits are that it exfoliates with bamboo, hydrates with snow mushroom, and delivers luminous, healthy looking skin. And in terms of how many times you should use this, Dermalogica recommends using it 1 to 2 times a week. I also want to mention that as someone with sensitive skin, I had absolutely no reactions or issues with this product, which is great. So now that I've used the product and stuff, I am super excited to incorporate this into my weekly skincare routine now. Hands down, one of my absolute favorite things about Dermalogica is the fact that their packaging doesn't go overboard. Like I've already mentioned, there are so many companies that use huge bulky packaging and they only use about 2/3 of the actual packaging for the product, and then there is air in the rest of it. Just to show you guys a little bit better of a comparison, because I know it's hard to tell. Obviously this is the product and then this is my phone. I have the iPhone XR and this is the packaging next to it. So that is just everything Dermalogica sent me. If you guys would like me to do a full skincare routine featuring these products, definitely let me know. Again, we are going to ignore how I look. No, I didn't get punched in the face or anything like that. I just had my wisdom teeth out. If you guys would like to see a video all about my experience, products I recommend, see me coming out of anesthesia, and follow along with my recovery, I will have the video linked down below for you guys. While you guys are down there, be sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Also, be sure to hit the bell so that you are in fact notified every time I do upload a new video. I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys!